My name is Aaron St. Clair. I've been with Stellantis for 35 years. I was hired in through their apprenticeship program. I'm a machine repairman. I'm responsible, along with my co-workers, to take care of all the equipment throughout the plant, things that are vital to machining parts. This is all about quality, and also longevity as far as the tool life, and making sure that our customer is assured that he's getting a great product so that he comes back and gets another one, and his neighbor gets one, and his children get one. I was blessed to be able to work with my hands. I tore an engine apart when I was about 15 years old, put it back together. I'm without any manuals, without any training, so I've just been gifted mechanically. I took the apprenticeship test here, and so you go through 4 years of training to build up your skill set. It's the first step in becoming a skilled tradesman. It's an alternative to going to college and getting a degree. During the time, you'll be paired with a journeyman who's done that job for over 4 years. During that time, it's his job to teach an apprentice how to work on the different equipment. I've had several apprentices throughout the years. One of the biggest things for me has been working with some of the younger people. It's always nice to be able to help influence somebody to understand the importance of showing up and doing a good job. This is the first time we've had an engine plant here in Kokomo, Indiana. It's very important for us because it's demonstrating that we have the workforce here in Howard County to perform any type of work they throw at us. We're willing and able to take that work on and move forward with it and make a great product.